Hi, you guys. I just wanted to jump on real quick with a little kind of demonstration video for you for today for math. I was going to do it with kids, but we're getting ready. We have our Winter Olympics this morning, so I'm going to be kind of fast. So for math today, we have number identification. So you have this sheet. You're going to have students hop on to cut out the numbers on the bottom. So students should be participating in all parts of this. It helps you to cover all of your goal work. Some of you have reach and grab goals. This would be a good time to do that. After you get the pictures cut out, I'm going to cut them real quick. Kids can hop on and they kind of, their hand is underneath, yours go over top, or you hold on to the scissor and have them hold over top. Make sure you're feeling that push and pull so that you know they're participating. That's something we talk about all the time in doing our goal work, is making sure that students are participating to the best of their ability, that they kind of have control. We're the kind of the tools to allow their bodies to do things for themselves. So have them hop on, get your pieces all ready. I like to do a little warm-up when we're doing math. Warm up all your finger muscles, open your hands and close them. Talk about those words, open, close, reach forward, reach back, to get those muscles going, to get your mind thinking about how to use those muscles. So now you've hopped on, you've warmed up, you've hopped on, you've cut out your pieces. Now you're going to talk about each one of these and you're going to show. I kind of hand over hand will touch with kids. 1, 2, 3, we count through each one. Maybe I match them a little bit at first. Oh, here's the 5. Oh, that one's the 5. They're the same. See? That's the 5. Oh, this one's the 10. Oh, there's the other 10. I kind of play with the pieces a little bit. I let them reach and grab. Some of the kids that have the reach to the 4 quadrants goals, you can set the numbers out in front of them and have them reach and hand them to you, and then you match them on, just to get that math mind warmed up. Get thinking about numbers. Now for the actual work portion, for our math work, you're going to have the chart, the number chart here. You're going to have your 4 square. I happened to grab the eye gaze one. It was the one that I had handy. Some of you have this one with the hole in the middle. Some have just a flat one that has 4 icons. You put your 4 numbers on in the 4 corners. I just have sticky tape on mine. You could use regular tape. You need whatever you have available. I put 4 numbers on. You can say them. I don't all the time. Kind of depends. But I have 4 numbers on. Whoops, I was going to start at the beginning. I'm going to put one that I need on there. So you have 4 numbers on there. You when I start, especially with the eye gaze board, I'll have students look. I'll say, look at me. Now look at your choices. And I make sure that eyes are following my fingers all the way around the board. And then I'll say, look at me. Now look at your choice. That's how it's going to go. So I'll get my board out and I'll say, I'm looking for number 1. Where's number 1? And then I wait. I'll say, look around. I'll give the reminder cues. Look around. Look at me when you're ready. And show me the 1. Yeah, there's the 1. That's exactly right. And then they get it glued on. Again, fine motor reach and drop. You can have them reach out, get it in their hand. Have them reach out, put it on the board, have them reach out again and press it down. Now say, we've got our 1 on. Now we're looking for the number 2. Repeat the same process. Look around. Make sure they look at all of the options. Look at me. Show me the 2. Now I get this again. Oh, this one? That's the 7. That one's the 7. Right now we're looking for the 2. Let's try again. Look around. Look at all 4 of your choices. Looking for the number 2. And this could go on and on. I mean, it could go on and on. If you keep getting the wrong one, go ahead and pull the right one. Oh, this one's the 2. Look, they're the same. Those are both the 2. Go ahead and glue it on. But don't be afraid to choose a wrong choice. If that's something that they choose, go ahead and pull it. Show them where it is. Put it back on and say, try again. You might even say, oh, we've tried 7. We tried 4. Those 2 weren't right. Let's try looking over on these 2. Show me the 2. Narrow it down a little bit more, okay? So those are just some of the strategies that we use in class for number recognition. The warm-up pieces are important. I don't really have that in your instructions, but the warm-up pieces are important. Warm up your body, warm up your mind, get your math mind ready to work. And then if you could, take a picture of your finished work and drop it in the comment section, or just drop me a comment and let me know how that goes. So that's kind of an example of how to use your Foursquare and how to address your personal goals, your individual goals, when doing our math activity for the day. So anyway, you guys have a good day. We were talking about weather a little bit this morning. I think we're going to get some snow. So fingers crossed we get a little bit of Michigan snow tonight, and everybody stay safe and warm out there. And we'll talk to you real soon. Love and miss you. Take care.